This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sahel Naimi. Choose your interior. This 1.5-story home is under construction, Timber Grove floor plan with 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths on the main level. 3rd bedroom and 1 full bath upstairs with optional bonus room. Great room with fireplace is open to dining area and kitchen with granite. Covered porch off of breakfast room. Utility room opens to kitchen. Master bedroom has his and her closets. Engineered hardwoods in the living area downstairs, carpet in bedrooms, granite and tile in all baths. Lawn maintenance is included in HOA fees along with clubhouse and pool. Annualized HOA fee is billed in January and payable by March 31st. Buyer to verify square footage. For more